In today's video, we're going to be doing the second ornament that will be given to Shepherd's Cove Hospice and their patients this year. This is a small bird wreath ornament. If you're local and you'd like to participate in making these ornaments, please contact me. My email information will be down below. Please put Cove Crafters Ornaments in the subject line. If you're not local and you just want to make these for yourselves, then I'm going to be giving you a list of supplies. And on that note, I do need to say once again, if you get supplies from me, when the project is done, you're going to return both the project and the supplies back to me. So you're going to be needing a few things today. You're going to need your little wreaths, which you can buy from Dollar Tree, Hobby Lobby. I've seen them at Oriental Trading. The birds I got online over a year ago on clearance, but you can get them from, where'd I get these? The Dollar Tree as well. You're going to need some curling ribbon, some regular ribbon, other decorations for your wreath, like these little berry things, hot glue, a glue gun, scissors, some of the stretchy cord to make a hanger, snowflakes if you'd like to do that. So let's get started. The first thing that we're going to be doing is making our little stretchy hanger. And you just want to kind of look at your wreath and find somewhere that there's a little bit of a loose wrap in the wreath and just put that in. You're going to just tie that into a knot. Now this is the side that's going to be facing us, so that loop is now in the back. And we're going to take our little bird and decide, do you want him on the outside of the wreath like this, or do you want him sitting in the wreath like it's a little nest? I want him inside of the wreath. Be very generous with your glue. Now you're going to grab the bird by his little head and put him right inside that wreath. You can actually decorate your wreath a little bit beforehand. And I'm just going to start there at the bottom since the hot glue is already there. And when you get to where the little stretchy hanger is, put it through that loop so you don't have to worry about it later. And you're just going to want to weave this in and out. Now you can add that glue to the bottom. We will be trimming this little tail off in just a little while, but first we're going to stick our bird where we want him. And while the hot glue is still wet, you're going to want to just kind of get that bird into place. And I'm going to bring that extra loop to the back. So this is what it looks like so far. I will be showing you just a moment how to get rid of those little spider webs. Now, before we continue to decorate it, you can decide if you want to do something like this, where you put one of these snowflakes behind it. It's really not showing up well on camera, but you can see it in real life. Let's see if we can't get this a little bit better for you from the sides. Yep. And in order to do that, you're just going to put the hot glue on the ribbon. And so that's what it looks like so far. Let's add some more decoration. I'm going to take several of these beaded pieces and kind of cut them apart. You could make this assembly line style. It would be very easy to do. This particular curling ribbon I bought last year when it was 80% off in the clearance. And if you don't want to use that little snowflake, you can also use this big one, or you can use both. I kind of like it with both. I'm going to go on and do that and glue this into place. This ornament is definitely very individual taste when it comes to the decorating part, and I look forward to receiving these back because they're never ever the same as the one that I show you guys on the video, which makes it extra special because you guys put so much love into these projects, and every one of my craft club members, as well as those who just like to come and help out with these types of projects, I cannot tell you how much the Lord is going to bless you, because He will. Anything you make with your hands is going to come back to you tenfold in blessings. Now I'm going to actually cover up some of this hot glue that you can see. You can just use an old paintbrush like I am to kind of push these little loops into the hot glue. You're going to want to pick it up every once in a while and just kind of look at it. And add to it as you see fit. I usually do this with a very large 400-degree glue gun, but it died after, I don't know, 5-10 years. And I haven't replaced it, so I'm just using one of my small ones that I use when I'm teaching classes, which is absolutely fine. So, this is what our ornament looks like right now. Still pictures will follow this project. Make a loop like this. Actually, it doesn't need to be that big. Make a loop, pinch it, bring this one to the back, like that, and you're going to grab this and pull it through the other side. It's going to kind of look like this, and then you're going to pull it. You honestly don't need this much ribbon to do these. And this is kind of a stiffer ribbon. Wire ribbon would work for this, but it's kind of harder to work with, in my opinion, than what you really need. For right now, I'm going to leave that tail a little bit on the long side, but I am going to attach this bow towards the top using some hot glue. If you fold the ribbon in half with your with your hand, you can go up or down, whichever way you want your little tails to be. This actually needs a little bit more glue right there. I'm going to add a little bit more of this fun beaded floral piece. And I'm not sure if you can see this in camera, all the spider webs. I'm going to pull those off. Now I'm going to heat up my heat tool, and we're just going to kind of wave it over the top of this, and it will melt any of the little spider webs and you will no longer see them. You really do want to get this super hot and then go as quickly as you can to melt these down. So here's this ornament all finished. It is just stinking cute. Now, if you'd like, you can actually turn this into a pin. It'd be gorgeous. Just put a pin on the back of this and wear it this Christmas season. You do want to go back and be sure that this is completely down so it doesn't come apart. There you have it, my friends. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you have, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share my videos on your social media. Shepherd's Cove Hospice information, along with my blog post, and all that good stuff will be in the description box down below. I hope that you have a great day. Stay happy and be a blessing. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.